Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome and welcome back to Hamta Diaries. So guys, in this video, what am I doing in this video? In this video, I'm going to make some treats for Stormy because I've realized I've been buying him treats. I've bought 3 categories of treats, but he does not like any of them. So I felt like, and this kind of made our training to be slow. We haven't trained for the longest time, and considering it's April, I'll be working more from home, so I have limited time on my hand. So I felt like it would be easier for me to train him, and the best way to do that, we need treats. So in this video, I'm gonna make some treats for him, and we're gonna see how he's going to respond to them. Will he love them? Because I feel like right now I know what he likes and what he hates, so it will be easier for me to make treats that he's going to love. And then yeah, let's see how we're gonna do this. So guys, I'm waiting for the meat to defrost. So my ingredients are carrots, 1 egg, and 1 cup of oat flour. This is oat flour. Yeah, those are the ones. Then I'll put oil later. As I wait for the meat to defrost, it's almost at 4. So I'm gonna start preparing dinner for him and for me. And today for him, he's going to have spaghetti with minced meat. For me, I'm gonna have githeri. So I'm gonna put some potatoes and carrots, and yeah, so I'm gonna multitask cooking everything together. So guys, mix something nothing like this. I still need to have mix this one so that it's going to be consistent. I'm making a dal. So I'm waiting for the meat to defrost. I'm not going to make lots of them because this is the first time we're doing this, and because we don't want to jinx it, so we're only gonna make a small portion of it. And then if he loves them, then now we can be making them regularly using different types of meat. Yeah, how it looks. My meat. Yeah, let me add the meat. It is not yet, it has not fully defrosted, so we're only gonna keep that now that have defrosted. I'm also going to use the same meat for for spaghetti. I think that's enough though. So this is, I'm gonna defrost this and I'm gonna use this to cook what is it called? The spaghetti. So guys, this is what Storm is going to have. I'm not putting any carrots, so he'll only have the minced meat with the spuds. Yeah, and wait for this to cook. I serve him, he eats, and then I prepare my githeri. So guys, our treats are done. Hey, they're so soft and they smell so good. So I'm waiting for them to cool down, and then I'll give one to Storm for experimentation, and we see. So I'm frying my githeri. It was in the freezer, and for me, I normally enjoy my githeri with lots of potatoes. So I want to put this here and wait for it to cook. So guys, my githeri is done. I want to give this one to Storm, one of the bites that I was making for him to experiment, to see, actually he's here to see whether they are tasty, or to see whether we're continuing with the training or not. So yeah, let's do this. Come, Stormy. Come. Stormy. Yeah, he's going under the bed. I don't know why he fancy eating under the bed. Guys, can you see him? Yeah, I want to take it from him. Come. Yeah, that means he's enjoying it. Come. Yeah, Aina, come. Oops. Stormy. Huh. Stormy. Come. It's a work in progress, right guys? So what I'm going to do when I'm giving him, I'll be cutting them in small pieces. Baby, they're heavy for you. They're too hard for you. Eat this. Eat that one. I think the next time we're going to make them a little bit. We're not going to bake them for long because it seems like it's difficult for him to chew. But yes, he's eating. The fact of the matter remains that he's eating it. Yeah, so guys, out of 10, I'll give my work a 5. So yeah, I've already served him his spaghetti. He'll be here in a short while. I hope he's going to enjoy them. And for me, my githeri, it's done. So I'm gonna serve it in this bowl. I'll only add avocado, and that is it. I had this a quarter of avocado that was in the fridge, but half of it was added. So I'm gonna enjoy this with my githeri. I did not even taste this food. Very good. So guys, this is my early dinner. I did an early breakfast, so I'm hungry. So I'm gonna eat my food, spend time with Storm, wait for him. Stormy, wait for him to eat up his food, and then I watch a movie, and yeah, call it a day. So guys, make sure you like, you share, and subscribe. And if you have any dog recipes that you've tried and they've worked on your dog, please comment down below. And yeah, let's work this journey together. Bye.